Hello students, we are going to do some questions from exercise 6.1 and now question number 7 is, look this, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 cm per minute and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 cm per minute. When x is equal to 8 cm and y is equal to 6 cm, find the rate of change of the perimeter and area of the rectangle. Two things we have to find out here. कुछ चीज़ें मिस हो गई थी प्रीवियस वीडियो में. इंक्रीजिंग का चीज़ हमने किया लेकिन डिक्रीजिंग इट वाज मिसिंग दैट टाइम. डिक्रीजिंग का मतलब होगा साइन नेगेटिव लेंगे एंड पॉजिटिव फॉर द केस ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग. तो जहाँ डिक्रीजिंग होगा वहाँ पर रेट 5 सेंटीमीटर को नेगेटिव शो करेंगे. So now see once again, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 cm per minute. Length, if it is rectangle, it is length x is decreasing and width is y, that means breadth. So right here, length, this x is decreasing, that means rate of change, that means dx by dt. You can check there. 5 centimeter. Centimeter is the unit of length and minute is second. So dx by dt is equal to minus 5. Why we take minus 5? Because it is decreasing. 5 centimeter per minute. Decreasing. Negative sign we can take, dx by dt. And the width y is increasing. Y increasing, that means it becomes plus. That means y is rate of change of width with respect to time because it is minute. Then dy by dt equal to, we can take positive here because increasing में positive लेंगे, decreasing में negative. 4 centimeter per minute. And when x is equal to 8 cm and y is equal to 6 cm change हो रहा है तो find rate of change of the perimeter. So number A, perimeter symbol is P. We are going to find of rectangle. What is the formula? P is equal to 2 into perimeter means sum of all sides and formula is 2 into length plus breadth equal to 2, length is x, this x, ix plus y, that means perimeter is coming, it is we are getting x plus y. ये हो गया perimeter. And we have to find here the perimeter. Rate of change of perimeter means differentiating both sides with respect to time t we get. So it becomes dp by dt respect of t, 2 into 2 is this constant x differential with respect to t, we are getting here dx by dt and y का हो जाएगा t के रिस्पेक्ट में dy by dt. Now 2 into dx by dt, already we have this minus 5 plus dy by dt also we have, rate of change of y this 4. 2 is here. Now see once again, dx by dt is here minus 5 plus dy by dt is 4. After solving we get 2 into minus 5 plus 4 minus 1, that means dp by dt is equal to 2 1 to the negative 2 centimeter per minute. That means negative sign shows that rate of change is decreasing. So it is answer. And what we write here, hence rate of change rate of change of perimeter is decreasing because sign is getting negative, decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. So it is the answer of part A. So it was answer of this part A. So negative sign shows decreasing of the ear perimeter. Now number second. Number B is area of rate of change of area of rectangle, area A. That means area formula length into breadth. So this becomes length is x and breadth is y. So area is equal to xy, and also it is changing rate of change of this respect to time. So this also differentiating with respect to time t on both sides. We get it is dA by dt equal to this d dt of xy, two variables here. So how to do this? dA by dt equal to first into second function, product rule we apply here. The first function into second y का derivative dy by dt plus this second function into first का derivative dx by dt equal to x. X is given here. X is 8 centimeter. So we write here dA by dt. X is 8 into dy by dt. Dy by dt we have 4 plus y is 6 and dx by dt is minus 5. And we write here when x is equal to 8 centimeter, it is given that, and y is equal to 6 centimeter. We have placed here. So once again x is 8, dy by dt already we have 4 plus y is 6, dx by dt minus 5. So this 32 minus 30, it is dA by dt. It is coming positive, I think 2 centimeter per minute. That means rate of change of area of rectangle is increasing. Hence the rate of change of area of rectangle is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minutes. Hence it is our answer. तो इस तरह से करेंगे. बस it is समझना है decreasing और increasing. Wherever decreasing coming you put negative and for increasing positive. Now question number 10 is a ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 meters per second. How fast is its height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall? तो क्वेश्चन को पहले समझना है. 5 मीटर लॉन्ग एक लैडर है जो किस पर लीनिंग मीन्स बेंड हुआ है, झुका हुआ है. सपोज आई एम मेकिंग हियर इट इज ग्राउंड and it is the wall, it is ground and one ladder is here. Suppose A, B, C, 5 meter long. This ladder is 5 meter long. Length of this ladder is 5 meter. The bottom of the ladder is this bottom or foot we can say. इज पुल्ड along द ग्राउंड अवे फ्रॉम द वॉल. इसको इधर पुल किया जा रहा है. पुल करने पर क्या होगा, दिस हाइट ऑफ दिस वॉल, दिस हाइट इज डिक्रीजिंग अवे फ्रॉम रेट ऑफ पुल्ड along द ग्राउंड अवे फ्रॉम द वॉल एट द रेट ऑफ 2 meter per second. हाउ फास्ट इट्स हाइट ऑफ द वॉल इज डिक्रीजिंग when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall. So first of all, we write here what is the length. Let AB is equal to 5 meter be the length of ladder, and this suppose it is x meter. This distance of foot, otherwise bottom of ladder from the wall is x meter, and this one suppose it's y, and height of wall is y meter. So the bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at a rate of 2 meter per second. Rate of change is 2 meter per second. Which is pulling this, that means this x distance rate of change here. तो x का rate of change क्या होगा, dx. Unit of length, it is the time. So dx by dt is given. It is given that dx by dt is equal to 2 meter per second. इसे समझना है कि मीटर इज लेंथ, x is rate of change. So what is to find out how fast is its height of the wall decreasing. Height of the wall, that means decrease होगा जब ये इधर बढ़ेगा तो डाउन आएगा, that means it will decrease. So what is to find out, this height of the wall is y, that means rate of change becomes dy by dt to be find out. ये हम लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है. So it is right triangle. So in right triangle ABC, right angle में क्या यूज करते हैं, ऑलवेज वी यूज पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. जहाँ भी राइट ट्राइंगल आएगा, द फॉर्मूला इज हाइपोटेनस स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू पी स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. सो नाउ हाइपोटेनस इज दिस ए बी, दिस we can write also AB square is equal to perpendicular is AC square plus base is BC. So AB square is 5 square AC, this y square, base is x square, and here this implies that 5 square 25 is equal to y square plus, now see here, a foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall. 4 meter. Foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall. That means it is plus 4 square. X is 4. So 25 is equal to y square plus 16. this implies that 25 minus 16 is equal to y square. So y square is equal to 9, therefore y is equal to root 9 is equal to 3 meter. That means y is coming 3 meter. So we have the x and also we got this 3. Now we have to find this dy by dt right here. Now we have this equation, this 25, 5 square 25 is equal to this y square plus x square. Otherwise we can say x square plus y square is equal to 25, and we have to find dy by dt. तो इसको देखेंगे, differentiating with respect to time, with respect to right here time t, we get, so x square plus y square, x square का differential in the respect of t, 2x into dx by dt by chain rule, and y square का हो जाएगा 2y into dy by dt, और 25 is constant term, this differential is 0. Now 2 into, we find out the dy by dt, to put all the values. Where is x? X this 4 meter into dx by dt, rate of change, this dx by dt is 2 plus 2 into y, y just we have found this, इसके प्लस में रखेंगे 3 into dy by dt equal to 0. चेक once again, 2 के बदले में 2 लिखा, x is 4 dx by dt, this 2 into y is 3, just we have got here y is 3 equal to 0. 2 4 is 8, 2 is 16 plus 2 3 is 6, dy by dt is equal to 0. Now 6 dy by dt is equal to this minus 16. So dy by dt is equal to minus 16 by 6. Cancel by 2, 2 8 is 16, 2 3 is 6. That means minus 8 by 3. Negative sign shows us that the height of the wall is decreasing at the rate of minus 8 by 3. Hence height on the wall decreasing is decreasing, because decreasing means negative sign, decreasing at the rate of 8 by 3, this meter per second. See the unit, meter per second, and so it is आंसर. इस तरह से इसको क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 को सॉल्व करेंगे. और नेक्स्ट Chetan Doma has asked only 7, 10 and I think 7, 10 and 13 and 14. So just it will be done. एक और चीज समझना है, अगर यहाँ थोड़ा डाउट है तो लेट्स सी हियर, y का वैल्यू निकालने के बाद आफ्टर फाइंडिंग y, एक्चुअली व्हाट वी हैव डन हियर टू गेट दिस dy by dt, we are taking this equation number 1, and equation number 1 is 5 square 25 and y square plus x square. It is coming from equation number 1. Then x square plus y is equal to 25. Then we differentiate with respect to t.